In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Monday.com. This is a quick and straightforward process that will take just about 5 minutes, perfect for tailoring your user experience to your preferred language. First, let's start by navigating to Monday.com. Just type in the website's URL in your browser's address bar and press enter. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Click on it to access your account. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in. You have the option to log in using Google or to type in the email address associated with your account. If you choose to sign in with Google, a new window will appear requesting you to select the email account that you want to use. Make your selection from the list provided, and once authenticated, you'll be redirected back to the Monday.com dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to change the language settings. Look for your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to open a drop-down menu and select My Profile. This will take you to your profile settings where you can make various changes. Once you're in your profile section, locate the Language and Region tab and click on it. This is where you can modify both language and regional settings to suit your preferences. When the tab opens, you'll see the current language your account is using. Click on the current language text to open a drop-down menu of all available language options. Monday.com offers 13 different language options to choose from, so whether you prefer Spanish, French, German or any other supported language, you can make that selection from this menu. Simply click on your desired language and the change will be applied immediately. This will adjust the interface to reflect the new language you selected, making your navigation experience more comfortable. And there you have it, you've successfully updated the language settings on your Monday.com account. It's important to remember that these changes affect personal account settings, not the overarching account settings for others, so make sure every user on a shared account adjusts their settings individually if needed. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance your experience, especially if you're more fluent in one of the other available languages. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes navigating Monday.com a bit more intuitive for you. Feel free to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips on optimizing your productivity with Monday.com.